Have you heard about ChatGPT? Who released it and when? OpenAI released it in November 2022, and it then quickly got popular, especially because many influencers started demonstrating its many use cases to their followers. What exactly is this ChatGPT? It is a very powerful AI bot that could be used to write poetry, translate articles, explain complex concepts in simple language, write and comment code, design business plans, and much more, simply by asking it to do so. Microsoft now partnered with OpenAI, and now it is ChatGPT is Microsoft's product. Microsoft is now the pioneer in the artificial intelligence area. But ChatGPT is just one of several large language models, also called as LLMs, that have been created or developed in the recent years. Are there any other such tools? Yes. Google also started working on tools like BERT, MUM, Lambda, and it also has a tool similar to ChatGPT, that is Bard. It started rolling out Bard in February 2023. Of course, now it became Gemini. So Microsoft and OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini and other tools like BERT, MUM, and Lambda. And there are other tools also like Sparrow, which is being created by DeepMind, which is basically aiming to be respectful, polite, and inclusive. All these are like text-to-text generative AI tools. Are there any other kind of AI tools? Yes, there are tools which generate images based on the text prompt, like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, Imagen, Edify, and Stable Diffusion. These all create incredible artwork by simply entering a text prompt. Users submit a prompt and the AI tool generates one or more images. AI tools like ChatGPT and beyond are fundamentally going to change the way we work in many, if not all, sectors. Everyone will eventually need to learn up to some extent how to do prompt engineering. So, learning now will give you a head start and help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are using AI tools to write poetry, translate articles, explain complex concepts, write code, design business plans, or something else entirely, the principles of prompt engineering will be crucial for unlocking their full potential and getting the best results. So, it's time to start your AI journey. Safe travels.